Good morning, YouTubers. What's up? I got a weird little knife here. It's called a gentleman's knife. Don't know who made it. Couldn't even tell you where I got it. It's not very big. Probably 3.5 inches long or so. 3-inch blade. Locks up fairly good. There it went. A little better. I've never carried it. It's not been used. I kind of thought it was cute though. A little edge on it. Ridge Runner. Come on, Smoky Mountain. Ain't that a kick? Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Have an awesome day. God bless you and come back and see me. Thank you, thank you, thank you.